Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me a free product. This is a paid review. Let's get straight to it. This is AnyKit. It is an otoscope. You know, it's a camera on a wire. You know, you can look in your ears. I mean, that's what an otoscope really is to look inside your ears. But you can use it for a lot of different things. Did you drop your wedding ring down the sink? You can use it for that. Look around corners, look under beds, look in cracks and crevices for maybe where maybe bugs or mice are coming in. You could use it for there's a lot of applications for an otoscope. So let's open this up and get straight to it, shall we? So first off, the instructions. You do have to download an application called Xscope to your phone, which I've already done, and I can show you right here. That's how it comes up after you just go to your Play Store or the Apple Store and download that, and it comes up like that. And let's open this box to clean your ears out, and prep pads to clean it off in between applications. I'll call prep pads, cleaning tools. Here is the otoscope itself, and this plugs right into your phone. I'll show you very quickly here. So I'm going to show, you can see Susie filming me right now. or me. Okay, so that is the otoscope. So what we're going to do here is we're going to stop this for a second. I'm going to sit Susie next to me, and we're going to look in her ears. We already looked once, and she has a little bit of wax in her ear. So we're going to attempt to clean the wax out of her ears and show you how this works. Hook this up. Here is the otoscope, and it comes with the earpieces. Like a doctor would do, you could put this on here. Like so, and just look down the ear. We're not going to do that today because I've already looked down Susie's ear and know that she's got a little wax. So we're going to actually use a little ear scooper and try to get some wax out of there. So we are going to clean. So it just came from the factory. So we want to make sure that everything's clean. So we're going to clean. Install this on that. And so you can see that is what we're going to be looking at.
Yep, that. I'm going to put the collar on.
There you go. All right. Okay, so that's the way we want it, right? Just like that. That stops you from going too far down into the ear. All right. All right, so we're going to go in this ear here. As you can see, I'm going into Susie's ear. Pretty cool. Going around the corner here. Kind of weird. Kind of hard to know what you're doing but I can scrape some stuff up here. You can see me scraping that wax, and I've got it out. Perfect. So go out and get your AnyKit otoscope today. Great if you want to clean your ears out or do anything you want to from a remote little camera.